Retribution approaches.
Yeah, we were so focused on the bottom lane. Piglet here. Let's see if we can pull off a 1 versus 2. I like
it. He walks into him.
I like it.
And they don't even fight back.
Oh, the odd job strafe.
Jeez. Oh, gosh. Now Piglet on the chase. He did get the rend reset, by the way. So body drop.
Take him on, Piglet. Keep going.
Making great calls, and again, they find body drop once more. TP comes in from Flares, the CC onto Special, who can just get Fates called out. It's a bunch of wasted damage. Flares getting targeted, might get picked up. Piglet gets one. Now the re-engage from body drop, but Quas has joined to the fray, and it's going to be more kills coming through. They do knock down Rek'Sai, but a second kill for Piglet. Make that another one for Quasic. Special trying to get away from Trashy. Does get the kill, so at least 2 picked up for enemy esports, but Piglet gets 3. Quas gets 1.
35 minutes on the clock. TDK is being pressured into this. Quas again, almost with a perfect bar, ready to gnaw out, and he gets activated actually by that Rumble ultimate. They are flying right through. He tries to throw everybody against the wall, and it looks like TDK is kind of able to spread this fight. But now that they leave it, they don't have enough HP to get where they want. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, possibly a 4th here coming in, looking for the pentakill for Piglet. He's going to find Labman. Labman hops over the wall to not give it to him.
Baron, Scuttle Crab respawns, Ward gets put down, specials in the brush, though, hooks up Otter. Good by 80, Carry flashes out, does stay alive for now, Fate's call, maybe to re-engage. Baron's been picked up already, so the rest of this fight is with bonus attack damage and ability power. There goes the kill into Nautilus. Knock up once again onto Otter, special quite low, but wow, Inox gets the kill, and I will dominate. A 1-for-1 so far, flash engage, there's the dodge. Flare's now getting locked up only on a Triforce and Boots 1. More poke coming down, the team trying to disengage. Team Liquid only get one kill. Oh, take that back. Piglet is legendary, nice kill for him.